What is the full form of TCL?
Transaction control language.
Okay. What are the types we have?
Rollback and commit.
Right. So what is we have a fourth type called as, you can use any type. Okay. It is not mandated to use after DCL TCL only. Okay. It's a variance. So what does mean by TCL? Transaction control language, languages or statements. Okay. So this TCL statement, what are the types we have in the TCL statement? Basically, this TCL commands, whatever we are doing the TCL commands, here we it will be used in the SQL server to granting the user, like basically what we can call it as TCL. You have said, okay, ma'am, once we done the DML action, can we able to recover or not? You guys asked questions, right? Remember? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the DML actions we will do it? Data manipulation language.
But update, delete,
Update,
Delete.
delete,
delete,
and
insert,
Insert.
insert.
insert. Right? So we can do it. So there is a two types of in the TCL. What are the two types we have in transaction control language? Using the commit and rollback. So we have a two types of commit in the TCL, okay, transaction control language. Once you committed, if you have any table, once you are committed, whatever you do the changes, like for example, I can do the insert, I can do the update, or I can do the delete. Okay, if you do the anything, it will be action will be done by only on temporarily. It will not affect anything on the original table. Understood? Without commit, if you do the DML action, what will happen? Is it inserting the data? We can do update or we can do the deleting the data. Yes or no? Guys, forgetting? Hello? Is I'm audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At least say yes or no. DML, you guys are remember, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember or not?
Yes, ma'am. Remember.
Okay. So what if I'll do the anything? Like if I'll do inserting or updating or deleting, what will happen? Is it action is happen permanently, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So once you do, but I don't want to update my table. Original table should not affect, but I want to do temporarily for this all the DML action. What exactly I have to use? I can use commit and rollback. We can do it. Commit and rollback now. Usually commit. Okay, let's see this. What will happen for this commit and rollback? So we have this table, right? Select star from test one. Okay. So I can do the commit. Is it commit is working fine? Successfully executed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now shall I insert it again or shall I delete it? We can do it. Where e name is Sita. Deleted successfully.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I execute? Is it done?
Yes,
Successfully
ma'am.
deleted? Okay.
Yes.
So roll back. So I'll use the rollback now. Okay. Shall I execute rollback? Executed successfully. Okay. So now it's not coming. What is the method we can use it? So I can tell you this one more method why it is happening on this. Okay. So we have the process. If you're directly giving a commit or rollback before performing any actions, okay, it will not recover the data. So we can see this. There is a process we have to use commit and rollback. Understood? So what exactly I have to start? So I can do this. Let's create a table first. Okay. Show tables. So we have a show tables. We can do this. We can create a table first. We can do this. Create a table. Create table. What we can give test to. How do we create the table? Is it correct? Employee ID,
Yes, ma'am.
integer, primary key, employee name, key name, varchar 20, not null, and salary, varchar 15. Okay. Is it created the table successfully?
Yes, ma'am.
So the created table is done. Okay. I can do the start transaction. Okay. I'll tell you why. These are the keywords we have to use when we before performing any commit or rollback. Okay. So start transaction. I'm doing now. So executed successfully. Now I can insert the some data into the table. How do we insert the data? Insert into
City.
test2 values. 1 minute. So what I can give you? One. Oh, sorry. Insert into test2 values 1, comma. I can give power here 50,000. Inserted the values. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I can give you select star from test2. Is it inserted my data? So the data got inserted using the select query.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right? So now we will commit our transaction to save the changes permanently. Whatever we done the transaction, right? We have to do the save the changes. What we have to do here? We are doing commit. Okay. We are committing this commit. We will commit our transaction to save the changes permanently to the disk or permanent to the server. So is it committed? Right? Now set auto commit is equal to 0. This statement why we have to use, now we have to turn off auto commit by setting the value as a auto commit is equal to 0. Auto commit is equal to 0. So then, shall I delete it here? What we can do it delete? Delete from what we have to give? Where? Here we have to give table name. Delete from the table name, right? Delete from the table name where employee ID is equal to 1. I can write a same row, same line.
It will delete.
It will work.
Yes, ma'am.
You can write step by step also. That is, I'm just giving you for understanding as well. But if I'll give this also, let's see on this. Okay. Now we have done auto commit. So shall we verify here whether it is deleted or not? Is it empty set now?
It's deleted.
Okay. So I can do this rollback command. Okay. So is that executed rollback successfully?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I recovered my data once I give the rollback?
Yes, ma'am.
So is that I have inserted any data before the rollback or after the rollback for your kind information? No, right?
No.
So we have deleted the data. Before that, we done the commit and set auto commit is equal to 0. Okay. This is very, very important. And then once you deleted the data, I just verified it whether the data is temporarily deleted or not. So this was temporarily deleted. Whatever I have committed with set auto commit is equal to 0, then I just recovered for the recovering the data, I just keep it as a rollback. Once I did rollback, it got recovered in the same server with the same databases. Okay. So again, if I'll be executed my data, I can able to recover it, right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So previously we have done it. Let I can see this. Okay. Select star from test 1, right? So what we have to do it right now. Let I can do it. Commit. Okay. Let I can do the commit. And we can do the set auto commit as well. Set auto commit as 0. And shall we do the insert the data? Okay. I can do it here as a 3. But test 1.
3. Yes,
This
ma'am.
is test 1, right? The table name.
Okay.
Is it inserted?
It's inside.
So how do we check whether the data got inserted?
Show table.
Oh, sorry. Exit. Okay, I can do this control again. So is my data got stored it, inserted successfully? Yes. Shall I do rollback now? So after rollback, it got removed because it is temporarily inserted, then it got removed. So here, for your understanding here, understand it here. So the start transaction is not mandatory, but Commit before you do the any DML action, you have to specify commit and set auto commit is equal to 0. If you do this, so previously we done only the commit, right? If you do the only commit after doing any DML action, it will not do, it will not, we cannot recover it. So always you have to do commit and set auto commit is equal to 0 only for this TCL. Okay, then you have to perform with anything. Either you can do delete, either you can do insert or alter. Alter or update. Update, right?
Update.
Yes. So DML actions, we have to do it. Then if you do the rollback after verification, temporary changes is done, you are verified successfully, it's working as expected, then you can do the rollback. Once you've done the rollback, the table structure remains same for
Same.
this. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And clear everyone?
So,
So anybody is having doubt?
Ma'am, I am getting confused between commit and auto commit. I know commit, but
Mhm.
I am not aware about auto commit is equal to 0. When we have to use that?
So whenever you are doing commit, immediately you have to do set auto commit is equal to 0.
Okay.
Clear? So what is mean by set auto commit? So we have, if you have to turn offing, like whatever you do the changes after set auto commit, if you giving as a 0, after doing any changes, it should not affect on your original table. That is what.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it.
Understood now?
Yeah, yeah.
So only if you're doing commit, it will not work. You are not setting up your original data into the server.
Okay, ma'am.
So you are keeping your data into the server, should not change it in the original table. Okay. So what
Yeah.
after do this, keeping 0, then you do the any changes, it will affect. Okay, until you do the rollback, your data will be there in the table. But once you do the rollback, the data will be keeps on origin, or whatever you have original data, that will comes under in the retrieving the data. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Any doubt on the TCL statement, everyone?
ma'am, we should give 0 only for set auto commit.
Yes, you have to go. It is a default value. Set auto commit is equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't worry about that. This they will ask for TCL, that much they are not important, but they will ask you what is, these are SQL statement and languages, very important. They'll ask you in interview how, what is this and why we have to use. Okay. So that's the reason you can use this TCL. Whenever you want to do the any in middle, for example, uh, my data was there in the server. So temporarily I want to update or insert. Some days I have to keep it in my something on the data. So update or delete or inserting anything. Okay. So then some after some days I don't want the temporary data. I just need the original database into the databases. So that time I can do the rollback. It's a very rare cases you will use it in while doing the testing. Clear? But you should remember this as well. TCL. Anyone having any doubt? Clear? Understanding everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If
Yes,
you're not
ma'am.
understanding, please
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me know. I'll
Yeah.
explain it once again.
Yes, ma'am. Briefly, you can explain it once again.
Okay, sure. So what is mean by transaction control language? It is a command in SQL Server where it is used to manage the transaction or changes made by the DML statements like insert or update, delete in the table. Okay. So temporarily you will do the changes using this transaction control language. So there are the two types. Temporarily changes means we can use it as a commit and rollback. So commit is used to save all the DML actions made on the table permanently. Okay. So what does mean by the rollback? It is used to revert or undo. You remember that undo whenever you're deleting, it will ask for delete or undo, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the same thing it will do it. Okay. So rollback also is used to undo or revert back the DML actions made on the table. After committing, if you do the any DML actions, once it is done, it then you give the rollback. It will change, keep it as a original data, and whatever you done the made out changes on the made on the DML actions, it will revert back it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you guys can take the notes on this. So right now itself, you guys can execute at least one or two times so that you will remember easily. Understood? So take the heading TCL, transaction control language or statements. TCL statement. TCL statements. Under that copy, the TCL commands, the TCL commands in SQL Server, the TCL commands in SQL Server, the TCL commands in SQL Server is 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 used to manage the transaction, manage the transaction or or the changes made by made by DML statements, DML statements like like insert, insert, comma, update and delete in a table. Delete in a table. I'll be repeating once again. The TCL commands in SQL Server, the TCL commands in SQL Server is used to manage the transaction, manage the transaction or or the changes made by made by DML statements like DML statements like insert, insert, comma, update and delete in a table. Delete in a table. So what are the types we have?
Commit and rollback.
Commit rollback.
Yes, copy that.
Yes.
Okay. We can do one more method before giving this. So we have uh, save point table name. Okay. So I have done the save point. I can insert the data. Okay. So then is it inserted, right? So once it is done, I can do this. Rollback test. Test one. So what will happen? So then we can do so here you can see one more thing we can tell here. So once we done this save point, you're saving the table, right? After you done the changes, is it accepting here? Yes or no? Now I am not
It's
doing any commit. Okay, only save point I have done it. So once it is done, I just done with the rollback to my table name. So what is it is recovered to the older table only?
No, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
can
See,
can you
instead
repeat?
of I have retrieved my table, original table, test one. Okay. Ram and Ravi, two datas was there. I did
Okay.
on save point my table name.
Okay.
So saving my table in the server.
Okay.
So next I done the DML action. So inserting the DML action. So then I have retrieved the data. So is got inserted successfully,
It's inserted.
Okay.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So then I did for rollback to test one.
Okay. Got it.
So what is happening here?
That
Is it coming back to the my original
D,
table?
is my
Save
DMLS
what we saved,
result.
that result only it's coming. Okay.
So what is the mean of what is the difference between commit and save point? Its save point will work only within a transactions whenever you do this changes. Okay, but it will not support for auto commit mode. So whenever you setting the set auto commit is equal to 0, that is required for when using the commit statement. Is it both we can do the same thing? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So but whatever you doing, like there is a after you doing the commit or we have to do the rollback, that all the save points will lost. Okay, it will not work it here. So just understanding here. Okay, save point also it is a one of the type of this piece here. Okay, but specifically we are using the commit and rollback. Save point also we have a optional types on this TCL statement. You can use the while you have to before committing the table, you can use the save point also. I hope it's clear. So this commit and save point, it both will action done with the same answer. But while doing committing, you will do the auto commit is equal to 0 as well. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll give the notes. You will understand better way. I'll show you the execute one more time of this one, save point. Okay. So let's take the heading commit. Copy the commit. Commit is used to the commit is used to save all the DML action. Commit is used to save all the DML action made on the table as a permanent. Commit is used to save all the DML action made on the table as a permanent. As a permanent. So what's the means? So this is the table. So this is the table means we have done insert, update, all these DML actions already it is done, right? But
Yes, ma'am.
after creating the table, we have done the DML action for this table. So once you do the commit, if using as a commit, it will saving previous DML actions permanently in the table. Understood?
So
That's what
save
I
point
have.
is what, sir, ma'am?
I'll tell you this. Okay. This commit is understand it now.
Okay, okay.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So let's take the rollback. Rollback.
Example.
Example I'll give you togetherly. Okay. For
Okay.
everything. Yeah. Rollback. Rollback is used to undo or revert all the DML action made on the table. Rollback is used to undo or revert all the DML action made on the table. So once you have committed, if you do the any changes in the DML actions in the table, it will be revert back to the original table once you given as a rollback. So that's the mean. It's a definitions. Okay. I'm repeating once again. Rollback is used to undo or revert all the DML action made on the table. All the DML action made on the table. I hope it's done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So let's stop. Third one, copy save point. Save point. Save point command. Save point command in SQL Server. In SQL Server is save point command in SQL Server is used to save a transaction temporarily. Save a transaction temporarily. temporarily. So that we can roll back, to a certain state, certain state or point, certain state or point, whenever required, whenever required.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. Save point, save point, command in SQL Server is used to, save a transaction temporarily. Save a transaction temporarily. So that we can roll back, to a certain state or point, whenever required, whenever required. Understood? So we can use commit and save point both, but commit is always, you're committing your table, you are using permanently whatever you do the changes. Whenever you're giving save point, you can do this certain particular point based on the requirements. Okay. So both are doing action itself, it's same, but this will be the temporarily will saved for save point, but commit will save for permanent. I hope it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just give,
But one doubt actually.
yes, go ahead.
Well, in commit, we used to say for DML action for permanent basis, ma'am. In that,
Yes,
in save point for temporary basis. Ma'am.
yes.
Okay.
So, and one more thing, right now we have done for the insert method two things, right? So one, it is you can give it as a insert method using insert into table name, and we have done the values and you have entered it. And later we have done, so at a time I want to insert, ma'am. So what exactly I can do it? So if I want to insert 2 to 3 rows into the table, what we can do it? So we had these insert values, right? So what is the another method we'll used it for this? Employee ID,
Table structure and values.
e-name, salary, correct? Yes or no? We can do it like this. So here also we can use multiple times. So instead of using multiple rows, you can use you can separate with the braces, and you can add the multiple values in the same line itself. So I can add it here. So here, should I need to close? Column count does not match for the counted 01. So what is the method issues here? I can just see this. Yes. Okay. Just one issues. Not required for this. So one more close and values. So is that inserted? So using comma for the separating the values, rows values, inserting values. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't use that. So is that inserted successfully? Multiple values.
Okay.
Okay. So now commit set auto commit is equal to 0. If I'm using set auto commit is equal to 0, again, if I'll be inserting the data, I can use 5. Let I can give Pavani 50,000. Here I can give 6. Sitara 20,000. Let it be. Okay. Is that inserted successfully?
Yes, inserted.
Okay. Let's I can retrieve. Is got retrieve the data? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now shall I do the rollback? So when you're doing the commit, you just enough for rollback. There is not required for the table. But when you're doing the save point, after doing the save point, if you do the any DML actions, you can do the rollback to the table name. Now I'll give the rollback. So it got rollback. This data got removed.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall I do the save point also now? Shall I try with this?
Yes, ma'am. Save point.
Save point I'm doing. Okay. So what is that issue? One error. Okay, sorry. Set save point, right? What we have done? Is it set save point? Let's see this. Not set. Okay. So the save point and which is the table name. Save point and table name. What is the table name? Test one. It got saved it my table. This test one. I'll do the insert method. So after what I have to do it. I should do this. Roll back to my table name. Or else I have to check my table, right? So let's start from test one. So it got inserted. Now roll back to table name. So is it rollback is successfully executed? Now shall I check my table? It's got recovered, executed.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever
Mhm.
you are after do the save point, it will be temporarily saved your table data. So whatever you do the changes, then you can roll back. It will be saved our original data. We can able to retrieve the data.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Clear everyone? So mainly we required commit and rollback. If someone is asked anything else, any other types is available in the TCL, you can tell save point also there, but it is whenever you're giving the save point table name, it will be the temporarily saved my data into the databases. Okay. So then again, if we the rollback will used in the within a time on the within the transaction itself, we have to use in the rollback. So then only I can recover my what changes done in the DML changes on the data. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take the here I have given so explanation step by step. You guys can copy the same. Step one. What I have done it. We have to select my database. Okay, this is the database name. So selecting the database, then I have to creating the table. Then we have done the begin the start transaction. Okay, then we have to insert some data. So once inserting the data, we have retrieving the data. Whatever you are inserted successfully, we have to check our data. So once the DML action is done, checked my data using the select statement, I used to commit our transaction data to save all the permanently in the disk or server. Okay, so once you do the commit, now I'll be whatever do the changes, it should not affect on my original table. For that purposes, I am turning offing auto commit by using the to setting the value as a 0. So what if I'm not giving set auto commit is equal to 0, you do the any changes, it will impact on your table also. Understood? That is what we have done it, right? If you're not giving the set auto commit is equal to 0. Yes.
Yes.
So previously, first time I have done it, right? Commit and then delete it. Then if I'll be retrieve and roll back, my data, whatever I deleted, it is permanently happening my database, my table, without doing set auto commit is equal to 0. To avoid that, I want to save my previous data permanently. Then whatever do the after committing, whatever do the DML action, it should be temporarily happen. That's the reason we should do the set auto commit is equal to 0. So then you can do the anything, insert or update or delete. You can do the any DML actions. Then you can retrieve the data. Once you roll back, you can just retrieve the data. Your data will comes again. You can view your data table into the databases. I hope it's clear. Same thing I have done it again. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take the copy of this. Or will you guys take the screenshot and start to the execution now? It's already late.
Yes, ma'am.
So you guys can copy it later. But as of now, you guys already aware of that. You can try to execute on your laptop right now. I'll see it. Okay. We can do the executions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, both the commit and save point are same, right?
Yes.
If you commit and if we do perform some DML actions, then we can roll back. We will get the original data. And
Yes.
if we use a save point and if we perform some DML actions, then also if we do your rollback, we will get the original data, right?
Yes.
Both
But
are same.
both are same. But if you do the commit and do the DML actions, until you do the rollback, it won't be recovered it. That you can use almost like some other days you can do it, or after some other days, like after 30 days, after you can do some particular period of time based on the requirement. But when using the save point, you have to do at a time itself. While doing the transaction itself, you have to do it on the save point and immediate. Then you, once they're done with the DML, you have to do the rollback itself.
I didn't get it, ma'am. Can you please?
So what exactly you can see this? If you do the commit it, auto commit is equal to 0, right? So you whatever you done the changes, next after that, whatever you the DML actions, until you do the rollback, it won't affect anything. Okay.
Yeah, until we give the rollback, we didn't get the
Yes.
original table, right?
Yes. If you do the commit, it's a permanently, it fixed it. It's constant on your table. So then you do the changes DML, it will not affect anything. So once you done the rollback, it will be go back to your original data for your permanent data. Understood?
Yeah.
So, but in the save point, that will be used in only temporarily purposes. I already told yesterday, right? So temporarily will give the grant and revoke permission. The same way it will happen in the save point also.
Okay.
So clear now?
Yes.
So you guys can take the screenshot now. So you can copy it later on the notes. But start with the execution now. Okay. We have another 5 to 10 minutes. We can execute it on session. Taken the screenshot, because why I'm giving this screenshot, I have given a clear clarity of what is the step 1, step 2 and all. Okay, that's the reason I'm giving this. So next time you will understand what is meant by start transaction, what exactly we have to do it. Okay, that's the reason I have given these statements here. Clear? Shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Take the screenshot of this as well. Done?
Okay, ma'am.
Take this one as well. Taken the screenshot? Done? Is it done? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll be going to this command prompt here. Will you guys copy the command? Commit, or you can copy from here. Select star from table name and commit. Set auto commit is equal to 0. Then perform any DML action and perform retrieving the command and then roll back. Okay. This also you can copy it. Shall I write it here? Otherwise, what will do this?
Yes, ma'am. You can write down.
Select star from table name. So general I'm giving, okay? And commit set auto commit is equal to 0. Then we can do insert or update or delete action. Okay. We can do the delete DML, all delete actions here. Is it understandable here? Okay. So again, I'll be retrieving the table. So next I'll do roll back. So then again, I'll be retrieving the date. So understood now? Example for commit. I hope is everyone clear? So what we can do the save point? Example for save point.
Ma'am, in rollback,
Mm-hmm.
how many rows we can roll back? Maybe if we delete one row, maybe we'll get that, or if we delete two rows, we'll get back.
So usually whatever you do the changes, right? So
Okay.
you done the changes, right? You can do the one time delete or two time delete or three time delete it. So once you do the rollback, it will be or it will go to the original table of this before committing what is having the table, right? Original data. So it will be retrieve the all the original data.
Okay, ma'am. So if it doesn't matter two
No,
rows or three rows.
no. It's not matter about that.
Okay.
Okay. I hope it's clear now.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
So now first I'll be retrieving my data. Select star from table name. And what exactly I have to do it here? Save point, table name. Then I can do the all the DML action, any actions. Understanding? So I can check it to retrieving the data to check the data. Shall I use the select star from table name? So then what exactly I have to do it? Roll back to table name. So then I'll be retrieving my original data. I hope it's clear now. So this is different, this is different. So copied. Is it done? So will you guys come up with one homework to next session? Can you make a note of the difference between commit, rollback, and save point? Guys can do the Google, and will you come with the tables?
Yes, ma'am.
So difference between commit, rollback, and save point. All three. Okay. So let's. Is it copied, everyone? Done, right? Still, anyone is copying?
No.
Done, no? Okay. So who can share the screen now? You can execute. Who'll be sharing the screen? Or shall I call the names? Akshita, can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So meanwhile, everyone execute all the commands, okay? Next, Manjushri, you said some error you are getting for this DCL statement,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Ready
Yes.
with your laptop. I'll just check it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So others, execute everything. Let we can check it out.
Which one, ma'am? Like today's.
Can you show me what you have done it today? Now?
No, today afternoon I did it.
So what you have done it?
DDL commands and DML commands I practiced.
So DDL, DML is done, right?
Yeah,
So what this DCL, have you done it?
I was doing, ma'am, but still didn't complete it.
Okay. Have you tried it? Not yet, huh?
Created this different
Okay.
roles.
Just do one statement at least. Okay. Select statement. Give the permission, grant permission for select statement. Then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can.
Yeah, I gave in root localhost, ma'am.
Okay.
This is the test3 SQL server.
Okay. Will you able to execute the select star from table name?
Yeah, it's done, right?
But where is your data? You have not inserted any data?
Yeah, I didn't insert it, but I gave permission grant in that root server.
For insert also you have given the permission?
No, ma'am.
Only for selecting, right?
Yes.
Okay. So go to the main user. Take back the permission, select statement. Like,
Yes, it's still loading.
okay, let it be. Is it loading? As a network is good. Just try it, okay?
Yeah, yes.
You just do the revert back
Hmm.
and then you command see this on the other user.
Okay.
Let me know, okay? Is it working or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can stop sharing. Just let me know on this
Okay.
whether it's working as of now or not. So after this, You can perform for TCL commands also.
Yes.
Okay. So Manjushri,
Can I share, ma'am?
yes. So who is the new person today, like yesterday or this week? Suresh.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, visible. 1
Sis-
minute, Suresh.
Okay.
So what is this pass? You are okay. Click on apply.
No. Okay, ma'am.
The
Can
wrong
I
value maximum queries cannot convert valid non-register value. Okay. So you can click on revert. Okay, and revert. Okay. Okay. It's not going.
Yes, ma'am. No, it's okay.
It's went right.
Yes.
Okay. So there is a login name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can change it as a test user.
Test.
Test one. You can give.
Okay, ma'am. Can I change password?
Mention the error. Read the error.
Consider using a password with 8 or more characters with mixed case letters, numbers, and punctuations marks.
Okay. Now give root. Small letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now getting weak password.
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Okay.
Weak
It's okay. No worries. Give root again. Okay. Now click on apply.
wrong value of max dot
Okay. So what does the means? It's the password you have to give. Your laptop is not accepting root. So
Okay.
then you can give minimum 8 character. That should be the combination of.
Ma'am, when I installed that MySQL now, I changed my password. That password I should give.
It's okay. You
Huh.
can give another password. No worries.
No. Here I gave root, no. Start.
Don't give root.
Okay.
That's what I am telling you.
Okay.
You can give more than 8 character along with the. You can give the same also. No worries. Whatever
Okay.
you given the root user password also, you can provide it here. It's
Okay.
not mandatory to give the particular password only. Or you
Okay.
can change the password also for this other user.
Okay.
But your laptop will not accepting for root right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on OK and enter it, the password. Others understanding? It should be the 8 character and also combination of uppercase and lowercase
Yes, ma'am.
numbers. But remember the passwords, okay? Okay, still not. Is it correct? Both the side you have given?
Yes, ma'am. Again, say some at 1, 2, 3, 4. Is at 1, 2, 3. Consider using a password. I get some more channel.
Still same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Then, can I give 1, 2, 3 at the rate of sun. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the rate of sun.
So wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. So there is you have given authentication type, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There why you given as a password?
What I should do, give, ma'am?
So it is already there standard, right? Who changed it? This is you all you only changed it.
Yes, ma'am.
Authentication type?
This one, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
authentication type.
I
Why you
changed.
changed it?
Okay.
It's a default. Which what is the name? Authentication type.
Catching at the rate of.
Standard is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have standard option. Only two option you have, or
Yes,
what do
ma'am.
you have?
No, standard option is not there, ma'am.
You don't have standard option.
No, ma'am.
Okay, we should have a standard option.
Okay. I'm not have standard option.
Okay, we can connect with offline this one. We'll connect it tomorrow, Manjushri. We can resolve this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just check with any Google for
Yes.
this why it is getting. I think I'll be seeing first time of these issues. We can see this. Okay, we'll troubleshoot it. Anybody is getting like this error? If you want creating my other user, temporary user.
No, ma'am.
Are you guys getting properly right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So Manjushri, while you're installing the SQL, you have done any new steps you got?
No, ma'am.
Not
No.
it, right?
No.
Okay, let's see this. Okay, don't
Okay.
worry about this. We can fix these issues. Just take the screenshot and share me in a WhatsApp. I'll also troubleshoot this error and I'll get back to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone can able to share the screen right now? One more person.
Can I?
Can I stop it, ma'am?
Yes, you can stop it. So rest of the persons, I'll check it on tomorrow session. Before I'll move to the DQL statement, I'll check with everyone. Okay, be ready with before the sessions. Tomorrow your session will be at 8 o'clock. So everyone, be ready with your laptop and execute the DCL, DDL, DML, and TCL commands. So without checking that, I'll not move on to DQL statement. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashwarya, you can share the screen quickly. Let's see this issue. Aishwarya,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, can you share your screen?
This is today's, ma'am.
Okay. Commit, set auto commit is equal to 0. You've done it. So what does that mean? Okay, you given automation, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, still you not moved it automation. Wait for a minute, okay?
Okay.
Some days. Auto commit is equal to 0. Then you have performed the action. What you have done, insert it. Okay, it is inserted, is done. Done. Okay, nice. After rollback, it is going back to your original data.
Original data.
Good job. So the next you done it as a save point, the table name. So then again you have done with this insert method. So once you roll back it, is it going to that older table, the
Yes, ma'am.
permanent table? Yes, nice. So others done it. This one,
Ma'am,
yes, Aishwarya.
ma'am, I didn't done yesterday's queries practice, ma'am.
Okay, you just execute today or tomorrow. Before the tomorrow session, you can share your screen and show me that. Okay.
And also that I didn't created that another user.
Okay, go to workbench. There only. The down you have, right? Yes. So you have to do, this is your main user.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go to server again. Let's you can go it first. Users and privileges. Okay. Click add account. Change it as a, instead of login name as a new user, as changed as a test one. Test, anything is fine. Come to the password. Don't give underscore. You give test one only directly. Okay. Password, root, small letter. Come down. It is scroll down. Wait. Scroll down there itself.
Ma'am, it is not happening.
No, you have re-enter password. That's the reason. Otherwise, down window, just little minimize it. Now you got
Yes, ma'am.
root, enter. So click on apply. So is this test one is coming?
Yes, ma'am.
It's read it because your user is already created now. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you go to the authentication type there? You have authentication type after login name. Yes, click.
It is
You
showing some
cannot.
considering.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. No worries, no worries. You can go to now database. Database. Above. Query database little above. Yes. Database, click. Connect to the database. So instead of username, you can give test one. Username. Username down. Root is there, right? Already
Yes, ma'am.
enter root. Remove that. Give it as a test one. No, caps test. Caps T. Okay. Click on OK. It's correct. Click on OK now. So enter the password. Root.
Can I
Click on
give
OK.
save?
No, don't give save. Click on
Okay.
OK. So is it logged in successfully? Test user.
Yes,
So
ma'am. I got
right
new.
now it's empty.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you have to do it? You go to your main user and grant the permission. Then observe on your test user. So you understood now? Will you follow the right now? Can you do follow it after the session?
Yes, ma'am. I will try. If I get any doubt, I will ask you into ma'am.
Sure. I hope it's clear, everyone.
Can I
Others
stop
understanding?
sharing, ma'am?
Yes, you can
Yes.
stop sharing. This is what we can do the DCL and TCL statement. Okay. I can stop recording.